Hello guys, so today I have the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro. So I'll be replacing these ear cushions today on these headphones. So these are the original ear cuffs that I had on this, and you can see they've like torn apart inside. I was still using them the way they were because I didn't want to get rid of the original ones, but anyways, so I got these from Amazon USA. The link, this is the exact one that I bought. These are in black. I got the gray ones, so today I'll be installing these gray ones. Let's open this and see how they look. So you get these also. They feel nice and all. Definitely not like the original one. These are Chinese ones. Let's see how these hold up. So anyways, installing these are very easy, I think. So all you have to do is pull these out like this. Yeah, that's how they come out. Okay, so this is how the original one looks. I'm gonna mess over there, so let me remove both of these. So, yeah. Oh, a piece of my headphone also came off with it. Probably broke before this, but anyways, I'm gonna fix that too. Yep, so let's toss these in the bin. And let's clean these. So yeah, now I just clean them with a toothbrush and they look nice and neat. So let's see how to put these. Okay, so yeah, finally got one side properly. Took me about 5 minutes to put this, but yeah, it's not that difficult. It can be done. Feel really nice and soft. I'll even put these because they were slipping out, so I just removed them. Now I'll install these so it feels nice and fresh and neat. Anyways, so one side is done. Let's do it on the other side now. Now let's put this into. So both the sides are done. So that's how these are. Right, overlap, but I think that's fine. Let me put these on my head and see how they are. Here, how these look. I would say they feel really sturdy and stiff currently. Let's see if they soften a bit during the time when I use them in future. But okay, let's play some music and see. These are 250 ohm ones. I'm just running a decent amp and DAC. So anyways, that was the replacement of the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro. air cushions. See you again in the next video. Bye.